Technology is a wonderful thing if it can be harnessed, and we believe in harnessing technology to, in our approach to going green. So if you like, we see GTower as being a green and smart development. So, for instance, our structured cabling infrastructure is running on fiber optics and Cat6. But we have voice, which is the telephony system, data, which is the internet communication systems, and video, which is the IPTV, all running on the same cable. So as a result, we saved natural resources by using less cable, less copper. At the same time, what we have is much higher bandwidth capabilities. I mean, with fiber optics, you can go up to gigabyte dedicated broadband services. So, as an example of harnessing technology in order to go green, it is possible. By having a highly intelligent building management system, we can detect, for example, carbon monoxide buildup in the basement car parks. As when the CO monitors detect high levels of CO, it actually triggers more fresh air intake to come into the building. Carbon dioxide monitors sensors in the office floors and within the floors of the hotel. What happens is that as carbon dioxide levels build up, it triggers more fresh air intake again into the AHU system. So harnessing technology, technology should be harnessed in going green. Concept is a holistic approach. It's not, any one area. So for instance, we have a lot of green planting in the building. So plants require water. So, subsequent to having more green planting, what we did was we added in rainwater harvesting systems, which harvest rainwater, which irrigates the plants. Energy efficiency. In a tropical climate, buildings of this size, 50% of our energy bill goes to the air conditioning system. And in order to achieve greater energy efficiency, it wasn't just about building designing a more energy efficient aircon system, but it's also adding in things like double glazed glass, which cuts back on heat radiation. It allows natural light to come in, but it cuts back on heat. So it becomes a systematic approach. It's a holistic, systematic approach. Carpets, for example, the carpets that we use are all green certified with 30% of the carpet base made from recycled materials. The carpet is 100% recyclable. The equipment that we use, being a high-tech building, the floor switches, the data center equipment that we procure from 3Com, all green certified, green star rated in terms of energy efficiency. The phone system that we have is also green rated. The phone powers down when there's no usage. So it is very much a holistic approach. It's not any one area that you pinpoint in order to go green. The new building at operations. I think one of the key hurdles, the key challenge is really human resource and the training. Because we have built a building that encompasses a new concept, incorporating hotel with the office operations. The human resource element, the software of the building, is one of the key challenges. And for a building of this size, we have over 200 people dedicated to look after the building, from cleaners to facilities people, engineering staff, IT staff, security guards. There has to be, again, a cohesive and teamwork approach in bringing together the green aspect of building operations. For instance, I mean, cleaners who are from outsourced from, they may come from Bangladesh, they may come from Indonesia. They must understand why there's a need to recycle. So one of the initiatives that we have started is to do training videos in the native tongues for the lower line members of the team, so they can understand why is it that they should put paper waste into the paper recycling bins. Why is it that we have to take care of the environment now? Because it's for the next generation. So, and we believe that with the tenants and the people who work in this building, the green message will eventually spread. When this building is fully occupied, we'll have about 5,500 people working in this building. So that's 5,500 direct contact points with a green building. From there, with their families, it will increase to 20,000 and so on and so forth. We took the initiative in going green and smart by being MSC certified as well as being green certified. And as a result, we've set a new benchmark for the country. All the new buildings that are coming up are being green certified. They're all thinking the same way that we are, which is we need to build something sustainable. But when we first started building, there were no Malaysian standards, so to speak. So we were certified by the Singapore government.